Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to cancel your Crunchyroll subscription or membership. I'm going to show you how to do it on PC or computer first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone. So here we are on the Crunchyroll website. Just go to crunchyroll.com and log in. Once you log into your account, you're going to see your profile badge at the very top here. Click on that. It'll open up a drop-down menu. You want to go to Settings, where you see the gear icon. Click into Settings, and then on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a bunch of options. Go to Membership Info, and then once you're here, you're going to see a few options. The one we want is the one that says Cancel Subscription. Click into Cancel Subscription. It'll take you to a confirmation page where you want to click this blue button here to confirm, and then it'll also ask you one more time. Go through that process and your membership will be canceled. Just remember, you'll have access until the date in which your subscription runs out. Now, if you want to do this on phone, unfortunately, you can't do it on the Crunchyroll app. You actually have to go to the browser that you use on your phone. For me, that is Safari. Open up Safari and go to crunchyroll.com on your browser. And then what you want to do is, once you're here, you want to log in, make sure you're logged in, and you want to make sure you're on the desktop site. So if you're not on like Safari, you can tap into the browser bar, tap on the two A's there at the top of the screen, and go to Request Desktop Website if it's not working for you. And then once you're here, you want to just click on the little image at the top there. That is your profile image. Tap on that, and then you'll see a couple of options here. We want to go to Settings, and then for some reason it doesn't show up like it should, so you actually have to tap the drop down, but really it shouldn't work that way, but it's a bug, I guess. So tap Settings once more there on the drop down, and you'll see something that says Membership Info. Tap into Membership Info, and then you'll just go ahead and tap Cancel Subscription. It'll take you right here to the page where you can kind of zoom out and see that you need to confirm that. Tap Confirm or Cancel Premium. It says your membership has been canceled. That's what you want to see right there. Your membership has been canceled. The survey below is optional, so you have to do nothing more after that, and your membership is completely canceled. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.